breakfast. What's up? I'm back at y'all again with another video. And yes, I am working and it's early and I decided to get some breakfast. So today I am bringing you guys Sonic. I got a breakfast burrito, the Sonic burrito, okay? And this is what I'm having. So I'm gonna hurry up and get started. Okay, so I got the hash browns right here. Oh, okay. It's sauce. I like the sauce. I do like a lot of sauce also. Until we need up. So got jalapeno peppers, eggs. It has the hash brown on the inside. Bacon, sausage, onion. Tomato. I haven't had a burrito from Sonic in a long time. Up. Onions. That is spicy. No, I like the pepper on there. I did ask for some salt. Let me see, I got some salt. I think I got all pepper. Yeah, didn't give me no salt. That's alright. Oh, that's good and crunchy. Oh. That's something. Yeah. Just thought I'd bring my little breakfast with y'all, Sugar Wugas. Good. It's dripping. It's dripping, y'all. Dripping. See? Hold up. Get that bite. Y'all want that bite? Want that bite? Take that bite. No item. Sorry. Breakfast burrito. And Coke with the good ice. Woo! Yep. Yeah. They say breakfast is the most important part. So I said, let me get some breakfast. It's spicy, well, to me. Yeah, this little bit of stuff right here is spicy. Imagine me. Really? I don't know. Got some big chunks of onions too. No. Take a bite. No. How y'all doing this morning? Well, it's morning now. I don't know when y'all gonna get this one. I don't even know. I feel like I be all over the place with these videos, man. I don't know when to post, really. I just, when I get inspired to be like, let me be with my sugar woogers, I just do a video and then I edit it and do whatever I'm going to do with it, and I just put it out. I don't have a set time, though. Yeah, I know they say, you know, you got to be consistent. Be consistent, like, as far as this YouTube and doing it. It's hard, though. I'm not even going to act like it's not. It's hard trying to be real consistent and to put it out at a set time. Now, that's dedication. I'm dedicated to y'all, though. I am. I really am. It's just that I have to find a way to set that time. You know? When do you watch me? When y'all do? When the bell go off, or the bell go off, you look at it and say, I'll watch it later and get back to it, or what? What y'all do? Let me know. No sugar woogers. Let me know. And even if you feel like you want to give me a time you think, I'm just curious to know, you know, what time I should do it. Right? Give me an idea. Ooh, excuse me. You know? I need an idea. I do. This is me. I watch YouTube all day in between my little rides out here. Well, there's something in my eye, y'all. Y'all see that? I sure can taste these onions, though. If I don't taste nothing else, I taste them onions, them big, thick pieces of onions. Let me open this for that slow. See? Sonic for breakfast. Y'all better go get y'all some Sonic. Get y'all some Sonic with some sauce. Whew. Oh, y'all see that? There's a fire on my mom. Now, yes, this is filling, along with these tots right here. This gonna hold me up for a minute, y'all. Yeah, it's gonna hold me over. But, I mean, it wasn't a little teeny weeny burrito. Wow. I'm almost done. Look. I got it. Pour it over. Why do y'all like that? Like I'm shoving it in your mouth. No, I'm sorry. Something also. Woo. Good bite. Help me out. This is filling. This is filling. Yeah. Somebody parking right next to me. Not this smack next to me. I don't know why that always gotta happen like that though, y'all. Look at that plat. I call it a plat. Look at it. Flying. Flying. Yeah. I mean, like, right next to me. Gosh. Last bite, y'all. Last bite. All gone. And then I think, because he did that, I think I messed up my lighting a little bit. It cut off on me like it always do. But anyway, like I was saying, did that ever happen to y'all if y'all doing like a car thing, you know, doing a little video in a car and somebody, you secluded from everyone, like, and there's a whole bunch of, I'm sorry, I had the air on, let me turn that off. And that was loud. But anyway, and you got your own little parking spot, all the way secluded from everybody else. And then somebody come and pour it right next to you when there's millions. I mean, it even looked like you was trying to be away, you know, just to have that little bit of time when someone does that. But that's just me. I don't know. It just feels that way. So I moved. But anyway, I'm about to let y'all go because I'm done. I got these left. Let me ate one. Hold on. Oh, yeah. I'm done. No. I gave y'all something. My sugar boys, don't forget to subscribe. Show Sugar Mama some love. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Comment, share, all that. Do all that good stuff for me. For Sugar Mama. But anyway, I'm gonna leave y'all with a nice big old hug this morning. I keep saying morning because I don't know when y'all gonna see this, but anyway, it's morning to me. And I see y'all on my next video.